A Chinese open weight model just beat GPT 5.5 on one of the toughest coding benchmarks, and it costs 25 times less. So, which one should you actually use? Let's break it down in under 3 minutes. Intro. We are comparing MiniMax M3, an open weight model from MiniMax, against GPT-5, OpenAI's flagship. Here's how they stack up on the things that actually matter: intelligence, coding, speed, and more. Intelligence. On general intelligence benchmarks, GPT-5 comes out ahead. It scores higher on reasoning heavy tests like GPQA and Humanities Lost Exam, and it also leads on agentic multi-step tasks. So if you need strong all-around reasoning, GPT-5 is the safer pick. Coding. Coding is where it gets interesting. MiniMax M3 actually edges out GPT-5 on SWE Bench Pro, a real-world coding benchmark, roughly 59% versus 58.6%. It is the first open-weight model to beat OpenAI's flagship there. But GPT-5 pulls way ahead on Terminal Bench, which tests command line and agentic coding tasks by a wide margin. So MiniMax M3 is great for writing and fixing code, but GPT-5 is stronger when a task requires longer tool using workflows. Speed and context. MiniMax M3 is noticeably faster, generating tokens quicker and responding with much lower latency. It also supports a larger context window, up to 1 million tokens versus GPT-5's roughly 920,000. That makes M3 a strong choice for working with huge documents or code bases. Price. This is MiniMax M3's biggest advantage. It's dramatically cheaper, in some comparisons over 20 times less expensive per million tokens than GPT-5. For teams running high volume tasks, that difference adds up to real savings every month. Verdict. So which one is better? If you want the strongest all-around reasoning and agentic performance, and cost isn't a big concern, go with GPT-5. If you want near-frontier coding ability, a huge context window, and a fraction of the price, especially as an open-weight model, MiniMax M3 is the smarter pick. There is no single winner here. It depends on your workload. Let me know down below in the comments which one you are using. And subscribe for more AI model breakdowns. Thanks for watching and goodbye.